Good morning, everyone. Okay, so today we can go ahead with the Java introduction to Java. Introduction to Java. Okay, so basically we discussed about what does it mean by full stack development and what does it mean by language and what does it mean by programming language. Okay, I give the summary. Language. Language. It is a mediator. It is a medium to communicate between two entities. To communicate between two entities. Okay, next we discussed about the programming language. Programming language. It is a medium to communicate between human and machine. To communicate between human and mission. Human and mission. Okay, fine. So today we'll go ahead with the in the Java. We can go ahead with the chapter number 1. In the chapter number 1, what are the topics we will be discuss here? So first we'll discuss about the Java introduction. We'll discuss about the Java introduction. And after that, we'll discuss about the Java features. Java features. And after that, we'll discuss about the Java installation. Java installation. And next we'll discuss about the Java program execution flow. Java program execution flow. Execution flow. And after that, we'll discuss about the Java program elements. Java program elements. Guys, whenever the class is during the class, you guys can take the class notes. Okay, so you have to maintain two notes. One is the class note and second one is the personal notes. In the class notes, whatever the in the class we are discussing the topics, you can take a notes on the class notes. Once the class is completed, after that, so after you have the free time, right? Spare time. In that time, you can prepare your personal notes. Okay, these are the two things you should follow. Okay. Next, Java program elements. Next, we'll discuss about Java program development. Java program development. Next, we'll discuss about the compilation. What does it mean by compilation? And what does it mean by execution? What does it mean by execution? And what we have the translators in Java. What does it mean by translators? And JVM architecture. JVM architecture. JVM architecture. Okay, these are the topics. Java introduction, Java features, Java installation, Java program execution flow, Java program elements, and Java program development, compilation, execution, translator, and JVM architecture. So in the chapter number 1, this is the agenda. These are the topics we are going to forward. We will discuss in chapter number 1. In chapter number 1. In chapter number 1. So here, language. Language, it is a medium to communicate between two entities. Two entities, right? So programming language, it is a medium between two to communicate between human and machine. Human and machine. So in the market, there are various programming languages. Various programming languages. Various programming languages like C, C++, I would say Python, Java. Okay, Python. There are various programming languages. Okay, so among those, we are going with the Java. We are going with the Java. Okay, we are going with the Java. Chapter 1. These are the topics, our agenda. These are the topics, our agenda. Now, you guys tell me what is Java? What is Java? Java is a programming language which is used to communicate between human and machine. Human and machine. Are you guys clear with my point? Are you guys clear with my point? What is Java? What is Java? The question is, what is Java? Java is a programming language which is used to communicate between human and mission. Human and mission. So the first question, if you attend as a fresher level, they ask the question, what is Java? What is Java? What is Java? Okay, Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language, and which is used to Java is a programming, I would say, language which is used to communicate between, which is used to communicate between human and machine. Communicate between human and machine. Okay, communicate between human and machine. Next, who developed this language? Who developed this language? So Java language developed by, I would say, Java developed by James Gosling. Developed by James Gosling. James Gosling and his team. James Gosling and his team. His team in the year 1991. In the year 1991 at the Sun Micro System. At the Sun Micro System. Okay, so I would say, so who is the father of Java? You might be already heard this word regularly. Who is the father of Java? So father of Java is James Gosling and his team. They developed the Java language at 1991. The company name is Sun Microsystem. The company name is Sun Microsystem. The company name is Sun Microsystem Company. This is the company. So in that, James Gosling is the team lead. James Gosling is the team lead, and uh, their one team will be there. So that is the reason James Gosling is the father of Java. James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystem. At Sun Microsystem. So initially they named Oka. Initially they named initially they named Oka. They named Oka. Oka. Oak programming language. Oak programming language. Oak programming language. Later they are converting into Oak programming language. Oak programming language. Okay. In 1995. So after 4 years, in 1995, so the Oak programming language renamed to Java. Oak programming language renamed to Java. Renamed to Java. Renamed to Java. Renamed to Java. Next, here the important note point is so initial the company name is the Sun Microsystem. Now the JDK everything under the license of Oracle company. Oracle company. So the point here is Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation acquired the Sun Microsystem. Oracle Corporation acquired acquired the Sun Microsystem in 2010. Sun Microsystem Sun Microsystem in 2010. In 2010. In 2010. Now, JDK and Java, 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 JDK and everything under the license of Oracle Corporation. Java is under license of Oracle Corporation. Under license of under license of Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Okay. So I repeat one more time. What is Java? Java is a programming language which is used to communicate between the human and machine. Java developed by the James Gosling. James Gosling is the team lead, and his team in the year 1991. And Sun Microsystem, the company is Sun Microsystem. Initially, they named as the Oak programming language, and later they changed it to Java programming language in the year of 1995. After 4 years, they changed to Java programming language. Okay, in the 1995, Oak programming language is renamed to Java. Oak programming language is renamed to Java. Okay, next, Oracle Corporation acquired the Sun Microsystem in 2010. Now Java under license of Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Next, few points which is about Java is a free and open source software. Java is a free and open source software. Open source, open source software. Okay. Next, Java is a free and open source software. So Java is the one of the most popular language in the world. Java is one of the most popular language in the world. In the world. Okay. And next point is Java can run on any platform. Java can run on any platform. Can run on any platform. Okay, these are the few points about Java. Java is a programming language. Okay, language which is used to communicate between the two entities. Programming language which is used to communicate between human and machine. Human and machine. What is Java? If anyone will ask like what is Java? Java is a programming language which is used to communicate between human and machine. Human and machine. Next, Java developed by so Java developed by James Gosling and his team in 1991 at Sun Microsystem company. Initially, they named the Oak programming language. So in the year 1995, they renamed to Oak programming language to Java programming language. So note Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem in 2010, and now Java under license of Oracle Corporation. Java is free and open source software. Java is the one of the most popular language in the world. Java can run any platform. You can write the Java programs in any program, any computer, and then that file, that Java programs you can run in any computer, any computer. Next, Java is divided into three parts. Java is, I would say, divided into three parts. Divided into three parts. What are the three parts? What are the three parts? So J2SE, and we can say JSE. JSE meaning Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition, and where we have J2EE. J2EE also called as JEE, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and next we have J2ME. I can say J2ME. or I can say JME, which is called as Java Micro or Mobile Edition. Java Micro or Mobile Edition. Mobile Edition. Mobile Edition. So what is the purpose of each one? Java is divided into three parts, guys. One is J2S, J2SE, JSE. So if you attend any interview, so in that HRs, so they hirings at the time of hirings, like you guys, if you go with the LinkedIn and then if you look for any domain, like they will mention the skills. In that skills, they will mention JWE, JWE. Okay. So what does it mean by JSE? What does it mean by JWE? What does it mean by JME? JSE is Java Standard Edition. JWE is Java Enterprise Edition. And JME is Java Micro or Mobile Edition. Micro or Mobile Edition. What is the purpose of each one? The purpose of each one is which is used to develop the standalone applications, standalone develop the standalone applications. Already you know what does it mean standalone applications meaning. Only one person can able to access, only one person can able to access at a time, can able to access at a time. Next, Java Enterprise Edition, which is used to develop the web applications, develop the web applications, meaning multiple persons, multiple persons can able to access at a time, at a time. Are you guys clear with my point? Next, with the help of which is used to which is used to develop the mobile applications, mobile applications. So Java is divided into three parts. One is JSE, JWE, JME. JSE meaning Java Standard Edition, JWE meaning Java Enterprise Edition, JME meaning Java Mobile Edition. So Java JSE, which is used to develop the standalone applications. Standalone applications meaning you can access within the system only. Only one person can able to access at a time. And JWE, Java Enterprise Edition, which is used to develop the web applications. Multiple persons access at a time is called Java Enterprise Edition. Next, JME, Java Mobile Edition, which is used to develop the mobile applications, which is used to develop the mobile applications. Okay, fine. This is all about the Java, the basic meaning. Here we learn what does it mean by Java and the history of Java. I would say introduction of Java we discussed. Now the next thing is Java futures. Java futures. The next concept is Java futures. Why we like there are multiple programming languages in the market. Why we are going with the Java? Because there are futures. What are the futures? What are the futures? So syntax is easy compared to C, C++. Syntax is simple syntax. That is the one feature. And the second one is, I would say, platform independent. Platform independent. Platform independent meaning you can write at one system and that you can write in any system. You can write in any system. Platform independent. Next, it supports OOPS principles. It supports OOPS principles. OOPS principles. It is a OOP language. It is a OOP language. Okay, and next one is Next feature is secure. Okay, next feature is multi-threading. It supports the multi-threading. It supports multi-threading. It supports multi-threading. Next, yeah, this is portable language. This is portable. Portable meaning you can move our source code to one system to another system. Okay, one system to other system. Next, performance is high. High performance. High performance. High performance. I can say high performance. These are the uh, features. What are the features? Java syntax is easy compared to C, C++. Platform independent. Okay, it supports the OOP principles and security, multi-threading, portable, high performance. Portable and high performance. Portable and high performance. Okay, fine. Now, syntax. We'll try to understand each one. Syntax basically, I would say Java is easy, syntax wise, easy to learn, and its syntax is simple, quite simple, easy to learn, and syntax is syntax is quite simple, compared to C++, compared to C++, compared to C++. Next, platform independent. Platform independent meaning we can write uh, we can write we can write the Java programs in one system, one system. That files we can run in anywhere. That files we can run in we can run in any system. That we can run in any system. So here, what actually, so how it should be, I will normally we will write the Java programs. Okay, and Java programs we will convert it into bytecode using compiler tool, and after that, that we can, I would say, yeah. Now you guys, can you please observe? So we will write the Java language, for example. This is the Java programs. Okay, so the Java programs we will use compiler. So here mediator we have the compiler. Okay, compiler, it will convert to bytecode, and this bytecode we can run in any system. We can run in any system. So that might be the this might be the Linux, and this might be Windows, Windows, and this might be the Mac. So any system we can run. I would say Mac. Okay. So here we have a compiler. So I would say this is the compiler. Compiler is the tool Okay, the purpose of compiler, it will generate, it will convert Java programming language to bytecode. Bytecode is the intermediate language. This directly we cannot understand by the human, directly cannot understand by the machine. So that language will understand only one person, that is the JVM. Okay, this bytecode we can portable, meaning we can move from one system to another system. There we can run the Java programs. So that is the one of the very biggest feature in the Java. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next we can go ahead with the OOPS principles. So OOPS, Java is the object-oriented language. In that Java, OOP language is the very important, very important. So in that OOPS principles, there are OOPS principles like uh, class, object, and inheritance, and polymorphism, and abstraction, abstraction, encapsulation, encapsulation. Okay, these are the OOPS principles. So it will support the OOPS principles. OOPS principles. Next, so Java is a object-oriented programming language. So here everything will represent in the form of object. So that is the reason Java is a secure language. So it will support the multi-threading, and next one is portable. Next one is the portable. Portable meaning you can easily move from one system to another system, one system to another system. And next one is performance is high. Performance is high. Okay, performance is high. Okay, fine. Very good. This is clear. So far what we discussed, introduction to Java and features of Java. Features of Java. So if you are attending as a fresher level interview, they will ask the question. This is the frequent questions. What is Java? And what are the features of Java? What are the features of Java? Okay, I hope this is clear, everyone, right? So in Java, we have the one slogan, Java slogan. Java slogan. What is Java slogan? What is Gandhi slogan? Gandhi gave us too many slogans, right? So similarly, we have Java also have the slogan. The slogan is "Right once, run anywhere." The slogan is "Right once, run anywhere." Right once, run anywhere. Right once, run anywhere. That is called Java slogan, also called as Aura. Right once, run anywhere. Right once, run anywhere. That is called Java slogan. Java slogan. Okay, fine. So as of now, this is clear what we discussed so far. Java introduction and Java features. Java introduction and Java features. Okay. Next. So what we can develop using Java. Next heading is what we can develop. What we can develop using Java. Using Java. So using Java, we can develop a several kind of applications. So generally using Java, we can develop several kind of applications. Several kind of applications. Several kind of applications like I would say standalone applications. We can develop the standalone applications. Next, web applications. Next, mobile applications. Next, we can develop 2D and 3D gaming applications. 2D and 3D gaming applications. And next, we can develop servers. Servers we can develop. Next, we can develop databases. Much more databases. Okay, what we can develop using Java. Using Java, we can develop several kind of applications like standalone applications, web applications, mobile applications, 2D and 3D gaming applications. 2D and 3D gaming applications. Next, servers. Server is also a software so that we can develop by using programming language. Java programming language. Java programming language. Okay, for writing, for developing the Java programs, for executing the Java program, we need one Java software. We need one Java software. Now the next heading is environment setup. Next heading is environment setup. Environment setup, that is called Java installation. How we can do the Java installation. Java installation. How you can do the Java installation. Java installation. So I will tell you the step wise. You will get the better clarity. Step one. The step one, what you will do: download and install the Java software. Download and install Java software. That is the step number one. And step number two, set path for the Java. Step number two, set path for Java. Set path for Java. Set path for Java. How you can set? So there are steps. Go to environment variables. Go to environment. Go to environment variables and go to system variables. Go to system variables. In that, edit path. Edit path. Next, add path to the JDK bin directory. Add path up to JDK bin directory. JDK bin directory. JDK bin directory. Next, step number three. Step number three is verify path setup. Verify path setup. How you can set up? How you can verify? You can verify. Open command prompt and execute the below commands. Open command prompt. Open command prompt and execute below commands. Below commands. Execute below commands. What are the commands? The command is Java version. The command is Java. Okay, fine. Very good. Very good. Now, how we can download the JDK software? Simply you can go to that Chrome. In that, look for the JDK 11 download. 11 download for Windows. Look for that 11. In that, it will go to the directory Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. So from that list, we can download JDK 11 version. So in my case, my system configuration is 64 installation, and so that is the reason I'm downloading this one. In your case, you can check your system configurations. Based on your system configurations, you can download. So I'm click on this, and then I'm click on that and download on JDK Oracle Corporation. I would say JDK software from Oracle Corporation. So it will ask the names, username, and email. So if you not have any account on the Oracle, you can create the account. So which is similar to how we created the Facebook account and all. So similarly, it will ask normal name and mobile number and all. So simply you can go to that, and then you can click on that. Okay, I'm signing, and yeah, which is downloading. So same way in your case also we can download. Are you guys clear with my points? Are you guys clear with my points? Once the download is completed, which is downloaded only. You need to install to in your local. How we can install? You can go to that location wherever you downloaded. You can go to that location, downloads, and double click on that. So now you have to install in your local. Click on S symbol, and it is installing to your local. First step is download. After download is successfully completed, then which is available in your local, that you have to install to your local. So which is asking all the restrictions. Yes, I would like to install it. Yes, I would like to install it. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, fine. Done. This is done. Next, set up the environment variables. How we can set up the environment with variables? So here you can look for the system environment variables. System environment variables. Yeah, go to this one. In that, go to edit environment variables. Go to environment variables. In that, here you should give the two paths. Java home up to JDK. This is one path. Give the variable name like this, Java home, and variable name you can give the path up to Java bin. Go to system variables. Here, edit path. In the edit path, give the paths up to the system environment variables. Java home is the value, and this is the variable. This is the one thing you have to do. Done. Next, go to click on the path. Here again you will get the path. This here you should give up to bin. Should give up to bin. Are you guys clear with my points? Okay. So with this you successfully completed the setup. Now you can check the which is installed or not. Open command prompt cmd, and then open run as administrator, and then look for the Java version. Java, Java version. Okay. Java version. JDK 11. Go to the program files. See program files. Here you can look for the Java program files. Java is there. Copy this path. Come here. Okay. Now what we can do? Go to your downloads. Wherever you downloaded JDK Insta, I would say software, you can go to that location, downloads location. Mm, this I install now. Now you can install. Now which is installing. Okay, fine, very good. Installation is successfully completed. You can see here. You can see here. Installation is successfully installed. Right? Okay. Next up. So simply click on this one. Click on this one. Click on this one. Okay. Okay, fine. Now close. Where actually. mm, Now we can open the command prompt. You can look for the Java version. Now you can see here which is coming or not. Which is coming or not. Yes, which is coming. This is the command. Java version command. When you give the command, so it has to display like this. It has to display like this. Okay. Okay, fine. Very good. Next. So this is how to download JDK setup, environment setup. This is called environment setup. This is called environment setup. This is called environment setup. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So far what we discussed about the what is Java and Java features and what we can develop using Java and environment setup. These are the things we discussed so far. These are the things we discussed so far. So all of you, can you please read all these points what we discussed so far? Guys, all of you, can you please read these all points? What is the first point? Guys, what is the first point?
Java is a programming language which is used to communicate between human and machine.
Okay, what is the second point? Guys, all of you, please, what is the second point?
Java developed by James Gosling and his team in 1991 at Sun Microsystem Company.
Okay, very good. What is the next point?
Initially, they used a worked programming language.
Okay, very good. What is the next point?
In 1995, work programming language renamed to Java.
Java programming language. Rename it to Java. Okay, very good.
Okay.
What is the next point?
Oracle Corporation acquired the Sun Microsystem in 2010. Now Java is under license of Oracle Corporation.
Initial company name is the Sun Microsystem.
Okay.
Later, they acquired Sun Micro. Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem. Okay, now whenever you are downloading the JDK, which will be under the license of Oracle. Okay, you have to create the account in the Oracle and then you can download. Next, what is the next point?
Java is free and open source software.
Okay, what is the next line?
Java is the one most popular language in the world.
Okay, next,
Java can run on
any
any platform.
any platform, any platform. Okay, fine. Next, uh, Java is divided into three parts. What are the three parts? What is the
JDS,
first part? Uh, JTSE or also can say
JS,
JSE. JSE abbreviation Java Standard Edition. What is the purpose of JSE
which is used to develop the standalone application
edition?
only one person can able to access at a one time.
Access at one time.
At,
Oh,
uh,
at a time.
at a time.
Next, JW meaning
Java Enterprise Edition,
Java Enterprise Edition. What is the purpose of JW?
which is used to develop the web application multiple person can able to access at a time.
At a time. Examples are like Amazon, Flipkart. If you
Okay.
see, so those websites they can run 24 into 7 at any point, any place from the world, right? Amazon, Flipkart, all digital applications you can say example for the JW applications. Next, JME. JME abbreviation Java Mobile Edition. What is the purpose of JME?
Which is used to develop the mobile applications.
Mobile applications. Next, Java features. What are the Java features we have? So there are
Simple.
multiple programming languages in the market. So why we are going with the Java? Because these are the features. These are the features. What are the features? What is the first one?
Simple syntax. It is easy to learn and syntax is quite simple.
Quite simple. Okay,
Yeah.
next,
Platform independence. We can write the Java program in one system that files we can run in any system.
any system. Next,
Yeah.
third feature,
OOP language.
OOP language. What are the OOPS principles? These are the OOPS principles.
Class, object,
Class, object,
inheritance,
inheritance,
polymorphism, abstraction, and
polymorphism,
encapsulation.
and encapsulation. Encapsulation. Next, next feature is
Secure. Secure.
secure. Security meaning we can develop the project. That project outside people cannot able to. If outside people can able to access, that is okay, no issue. When the issue will come, outside people, meaning third party people, can manipulate our data, then issue will come. How you can overcome that issue? You can overcome that issue by using security. Okay, we will not globally expose our code. That is the reason Java is the security purpose. Secure. Java is the secure language. Next feature is
Multi-threading.
multi-threading. Multi-threading meaning only it can allow, for example, coming days we have the Pongal festival. In that, so travels from Bangalore to I would say where other locations we can have the bus travels, and you can assume there is one ticket and then one seat will be available in the bus, and there might be same seat might be have the chance multiple people also they book the same ticket, same seat. Okay, so if the 10 people they might book only I would say one sleeper, then there is a dispute will come, right? Then how you can overcome that disputes? We will use the multi-threading. So in the multi-threading, we have the synchronize, meaning it can allow only one person at a time. So once the person is completed, then only it will allow to the next person, like that. Multi-threading is also very important topic. That is the one of the biggest feature in the Java. Next,
Portable,
portable. Next, performance. Performance
high
is also
performance.
very important. For example, you design one website, and for example, if you want to booking a ticket and the confirmation, so the booking confirmation you want to, it has to display very quickly or not. It has to display very quickly. Then only the customer user can satisfy. If the user also not satisfied with the performance, then your website will not meaning grab the not much followers, not much followers. Okay. Next, what is Java slogan?
Write once, run anywhere.
You can write once, you can run anywhere. Next, with the help of Java, what we can develop?
Standalone applications, web
Standalone
applications,
applications,
mobile applications,
mobile
2D and 3D gaming applications, servers,
yep,
databases, and much more.
servers and databases. 2D and 3D gaming applications where you can see usually where you can observe shopping malls.
In malls.
Yes, in shopping malls, in front of shopping malls. So like so they will like bike racing. Okay, so whenever you are riding the bike, so your speed, everything will be visible on the display. Okay, you can observe usually in the shopping malls. Next, servers. Servers, if you want to any web applications, that compulsory we should run inside the server only. Server is also software. What is software? What is software?
Collection of programs.
Oh, exactly. Very good. So this is very regular question. If you attend any fresher level interview, this is a very common question they will ask. What is software? What is software? So software is nothing but collection of programs. Collection of programs. So server is also one software. Okay, server also we can design. We can develop the server. Writing Java programs. Writing Java programs. And database is also one software. Database is also one software. Okay, we download the JDK. JDK also one software. JDK is also one software. So whatever the softwares is nothing but collection of programs. Collection of programs. So with the help of Java, these many things you can do. These many things you can do. Next heading is setup, environment setup. So what are the steps we need to follow while installing the JDK software? What is the step number one?
Download and install Java software.
Download and install the Java software. Simply what you will do in your case, go to the any Chrome and you can download. Why only I am telling the Java 11 only because what is the latest version of the Java? So that is the Java history. Java history we'll discuss tomorrow. I will open Java history Wikipedia. Java history Wikipedia. Yes, you can look for the Java history. History of Java. Not a specific website. Yeah, Java history, Java version history. Yeah, you can see here initial version is JDK 1.0. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So 1.0 they introduced in 1996. 1996. 1996. Next, they released the version 1.1, 1997. 1.2, 1998. 1.3, 8th. 1.4, 2002. 5.0, 2004. And 6, 2006. So this 5 is the very big version, biggest version in the Java history. So they bring many features. They added many features in this JDK 5. The JDK 5 version. So after that, they bring 6. After 2 years, they release the new version, that is the JDK 6. And after almost 5 years, after 5 years, they release the version that is the 1.7. 1.7. 1.7. After 3 years, you can see here year gap. After 3 years, they release the version 1.8. They release the version 1.8. 1.8. After after 3 years, again after 3 years, they release the version 1.9 version. 1.9 version. After 1 year, they release the version 10 version. After the same year they release the version 11, JDK 11 version. After 1 year, after almost 1 year, they release the version 12 version. After 12 version, you guys, can you please observe March and 13 they release the September, and 14 release the 20, 15 they release the 20, and 16 they release the 2021. So every 6 months they are releasing the new versions. Meaning, for example, you are writing, you can easily you are writing. I would say, if you fail the exam in the March, you will write in September. If you failed in the September, you will write the exam in the March. Same way here also they are doing the same thing. They are writing exam, meaning they are releasing the versions, and the versions is failing due to some issues. The versions is failing. Again they are doing the changes, and they are releasing into the market. So again the versions are failing. So like that they are releasing, failing, releasing, failing, releasing, failing. Like that from after 12 onwards, every 6 months they are releasing the new versions and they are changing. Every 6 months they are releasing the versions, they are changing. They are releasing the versions, they are changing. 18, 18 March, 19 September, 20 March, 21 September. Next, 22 March, 23 September, 24 March. Uh, every 6 months. You can see here now the latest version. Latest version is 25. Latest version is the 25. But this is not a standard version. Why? Because this is not a stable version. These versions are failure versions. After 12 onwards, these all are failure versions. Meaning there is no stability. They are releasing, okay, they are releasing after 6 months again they are so they are finding again some issues which is not uh, I would say uh, they are again doing, and then again they are releasing every 6 months after 12 onwards, every 6 months. So in the interview, this is also very famous question and very regular question. For example, if you are trying a 4 years or 5 years of experience in IT industry, and if you are trying a job in the market, so they will identify easily you are genuine guy or you are fake guy. They will easily identify with this question. The question is, okay, fine. Uh, you have 5 years of experience in IT industry. That is okay, good. And which version, you are working in your recent project, then so if that person is a genuine guy, then that person will tell either 11 or 8, either 11 or 11. If the person is the not a genuine guy, then if the person is using, I would say, the Chrome in the interview perspective, so in the that person they will go to the Chrome and then they look for the Java latest version. Then the Chrome will give the result as Java 25. Why? Because this is the latest version only. This is the latest version only. So the Chrome will give the latest version is 25. Then the person is also tell to that interview 25. Then the interviewer mind will lost. I would say the interviewer will easily identify you are not a genuine guy. Why? Because latest version is the 25 only, right? But nobody for the projects, nobody cannot use these failure versions. After 12 onwards, these are all the failure versions. These are the failure versions. Okay, after 12 onwards, these are the failure versions. For the project development, we won't use failure versions. So what are the standard versions we have? We will use the standard versions. So 90 to 80 to 90% we will use the Java 8, Java 1.8 version. And 20 to 10% the people we will use JDK 11 versions. JDK 11 versions. Why? Because only these two versions, because these two are the stable versions. These two are the stable versions. So that is the reason we will use Java 1.8 or 11. 1.8 or 11. 1.8 or 11. Okay. If they will ask like the question, which version, the JDK versions we used, you used in the your project, meaning in that time you can tell we used either we used Java 11. Eh, one version you can tell. One version you can tell. Okay. So why the companies are not willing to work with the new versions? Because you can assume, for example, uh, if the companies they start work with the this latest version 25, and they need to hire 20 employees. Normally I'm taking not 20. So in the project we'll be having more than 100 or 200 teams. So normally I'm telling as an example. Okay, the project, we can assume there are 20 employees and the 20 employees are working on the same project with the version 25. With the version is 25, and every employee we need to pay salary 1 lakh. So monthly how much? 20 lakh. This is this is not a stable version. Okay, stable version. So after 6 months, JDK team they release JDK team they release the version 26. 26 meaning whatever the project they developed by the 20 people, the project will not work properly. Why? Because that is the failure version. Whatever the project you develop, that with you develop the project, that is the failure version. That project will not be work properly. Will not be properly. So again, what you need to do? You need to migrate to other versions like that. You need to do the migration. That is the reason. So in that time, so entire the salary they lost, the companies will lost the salaries to the employees if they go with the failure versions. So that is the reason no companies uh, they would not like to go with the new versions. Why? Because they don't know what are the failures in that. That is the reason all the companies, whatever the uh, all IT companies, they would like to work with the, they want to develop the project with stable versions. What are the stable versions? The stable versions are JDK 11 and JDK 8. These are the stable versions. Okay, no companies they would not like with go with the new versions. Why? Because there is no stability. There is no stability. There is no stability. So that is the reason. So we are also downloading for running Java and normally for writing Java programs, compilation and all. You can go with the download and you can practice with any version. No issue. No issue. Or if you want to develop a standard project, then we won't go with the latest versions. Whatever the standard versions we have, we will go with the standard versions. I hope this is clear for everyone, right? So according to the market currently, presently, everybody is using 8, I would say 8, 11, 8, 11. These two are the stable versions. These two are the stable versions. These two are the stable versions. This is called Java version history. This is called Java version history. Java version history. I hope this is clear. So current version Java is JDK 11. You can download JDK 11 or JDK 8. JDK 8 or we can say 1.8. Okay, these two are the versions. This is also very I would say uh, very famous question and very regular question. So with this question, they can easily identify you are the meaning which how the really are have the 3 years of experience or not, 4 years of experience or not. They can easily identify. They can easily identify. Okay, fine. So this is all about today. So today your assignment, what you guys will do? Your assignment, setup, environment setup. So also, so coming 20 days, we will use 22 coming 1 month, coming 20 days, we will use Notepad. We will use Notepad. Okay, make sure everybody, you guys should practice with Notepad only. Notepad only. I will tell you. So IDs, when we want to use the IDs, okay, I will tell you. So up to coming 20 days, you guys, whenever you are writing the programs, you guys, you should use Notepad only. So there you can write the programs. I will show you normal one program and then I will show you. For example, you can create one folder. Yeah, I'm going with any folder. I will create normal one Java file and then I will show you. You get the better clarity on that. Here I'm taking one file. Go to the new and then take a texture document. Here you can mention the file name Java demo.java. Okay. Here you can take public class demo.java and I can say this is the scope of the class and here you can take the main method public static void main method and here you can take with string of and from here to here this is the scope of the class and here you can take the system statement system dot out dot println and here I would like to mention the message is welcome to such software solutions. Okay, okay, fine, nice. Now, this is the simple program, guys. As of now, you have to remember these statements. Meaning, this is the access specifier. I will tell you. So each word has the each topic. This is coming from the access specifiers topic. This is access specifiers topic. Access specifiers topic. Okay, specifiers topic. And this is also access specifier topic. Okay, and this is the keyword. In Java, we have the result words. This is coming from the keyword result words. Java has the result words. Result result words. Result words. So this is coming from the result words, and this is coming from the class name. Whenever you are writing the class name, we have to follow the some naming conventions. Naming conventions. Naming conventions. Naming conventions, or you can say Java standards. Java standards. Okay, this is the concept you have. So at the time we will get the clarity on how we can take the class names and all. And this is coming from the Java result keywords. And there we can understand. So what does it mean by keywords and what is the purpose of that? And this is coming from the Java reservoir. That is the each word has the each story. Each word has the each story. Next, if you, this is also coming from Java reservoir words. And the next uh, static void mean. Static void mean. This is coming from the methods concept. Types of methods. We have the types of methods. Types of methods. Okay, in that types of methods, which is coming from, this is one concept. At the time you will get the clarity on it. Public static void. Next, this is coming from the arrays concept. This part is coming from the arrays concept. This is coming from the arrays concept. Arrays concept. This is coming from the arrays concept. Are you guys clear with my point now? So what I mean to say here, each word has the each story. Each word has the each story, and this is also coming from the predefined classes. Okay, predefined variables and methods. Okay, each word has the each story. So as of now, we guys, you can by heart like this. So going forward, you will be get the clarity on it. So once you complete the each topic, you will get the awareness of each one. So as of now, you have to write like this only. Okay. So whenever you are writing, these are the predefined keywords. All are in lowercase. Lowercase. All characters should be in the lowercase. Okay. Class name first character in the uppercase. From here to here, all are in lowercase. And string is the predefined class that you can mention capital S. And in the system also predefined class that you can mention as the capital S. And remaining all are the lowercase. That like that. This is the string. String you can write according to your wish. Anything you can write here in between double quotations. In between double quotations. So this is a simple program I wrote, and then how you can compile this program. Make sure everybody you should write the programs on notepad only. Don't use IDEs. I will tell you when we will go with the IDEs. I will tell you up to my confirmation. I will tell you. I will give the confirmation when we will go with the IDEs. Up to that, you should practice with the notepad. You should practice with the notepad. Open command prompt. In the command prompt, you can give the command that is the Java C file name demo.java. So file has successfully compiled, and now we can run the file Java and demo. Now you can see the result. Result is coming or not? Yes, coming. Yes, coming. So this is this is the program on screenshot. One screenshot. This is the one screenshot, and this is the one screenshot you can mention. And the assignment is right. Environment setup is one assignment, and second assignment is this: write a Java program. Write a Java program. Write a Java program to print hello world message. Hello world means any dummy message to print any message. Any message on console. So this is second message assignment. Guys, assignments is mandatory. Assignments mandatory. Okay, without assignments we cannot allow the sessions. Okay, we won't encourage uh, somebody, they are coming going, coming going, joining leaving, joining leaving. So such kind of guys we don't encourage. We don't encourage. We will only help you, only the serious people, only the serious people. Okay, we will only help you, only serious people. Why? Because this is not a complete institute, meaning basically what the institutes, training institutes will they will do, they will charge from the student 30,000, 30 to 40,000. Okay, they will charge. So after the payment is completed, they don't want to, uh, I would say, the student is listening or not, they don't want. But in our case, not like that, not like that. Okay, you guys, you have to put efforts from your side, compulsory you have to put effort from your side. Okay, so we will only help you, whoever is doing the efforts, whoever is putting the efforts, and whoever is doing the hard work, hard work. Okay, so we will only encourage to them, and we will only help to them. Okay, that is the request from my side. And whenever you are doing and submitting the assignments, you can mention your assignment name like this, and then your name, with your name you can share in the group. So you guys already available, already in the group, right? There you can mention. So based on that, in the Excel sheet, we will make as the mark whoever is completed or whoever is not completed. So every week or 2 weeks, we'll share that Excel sheet in the group. Okay, so that's it.